In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an estimate for digital signatures for Zoho Books. We're going to walk through the full process, from turning on the integration, to preparing your estimate template, to letting customers accept and sign your estimates online. By the end, you'll be able to send an estimate that your customer can review and sign digitally without any printing or scanning. Let's start inside your Zoho Books account. First, you need to integrate Zoho Sign with Zoho Books. Go to the Settings section in your Zoho Books dashboard. This is usually found as a gear icon in the top corner. Once you're in Settings, look for the option called Zoho Apps. This is where Zoho Books lists other Zoho services that can connect to it. In the list of available apps, find Zoho Sign and enable the integration. If you're prompted for permissions, just review them and confirm, so Zoho Books and Zoho Sign can work together securely. Next, you'll add a signature field to your estimate template. Still in Settings, navigate to PDF Templates. This is where you control how your documents look when they're generated as PDFs. Under the Templates section, click on Quotes. In Zoho Books, estimates are managed in this Quotes area. Find the estimate template you want to use and click Edit to open it. Once you're in the editor, go to the Other Details section. Here, look for a checkbox labeled Signature and make sure it's checked. This tells Zoho Books to include a dedicated space for signatures on your estimate PDF. When you're done, click Save to apply your changes. Now you'll enable customer acceptance via a public link. Go back to the main settings page and select Quotes again. Under the Sales section, click on Preferences. In this area, look for the option that says Allow customers to accept or decline the estimates via the public link. Check this box. This lets your customers open a secure link, review the estimate, and accept or decline it without needing to log in. Click Save to confirm this preference. Finally, let's send an estimate to be signed. When you create a new estimate or open a draft estimate you've already started, look for the Sign Quotes button, either in the Action menu or after saving the estimate. If this is your first time, Zoho Sign will prompt you to configure your own signature. Follow the on-screen steps to set it up once. After your signature is configured, review the estimate, verify everything is correct, and click Send Quote. Your customer will receive an email with a link to the estimate. When they open it, they can click Accept to sign and confirm the estimate digitally.